Did you know Excel has a completely hidden tool that takes a live updating snapshot of any range and lets you paste it anywhere in your workbook? This secret camera. Most Excel users waste time manually copying ranges or screenshots onto a dashboard, and every time the data changes, they have first you need to add the camera tool to your quick access toolbar by clicking the small drop-down arrow at the very top of your Excel window and selecting More Commands. In the Choose Commands from drop-down, select commands not. Now select the range you want to snapshot, for example, your sales summary table, and then click the camera icon in your toolbar. Excel copies a live linked picture of that. Look at that. The snapshot is now sitting perfectly on the dashboard sheet, and when I change the West Region Q2 value, the camera image updates instantly without. You just learned how to use Excel's hidden camera tool to create live auto-updating snapshots for stunning dashboards in seconds.